Ate naman kayo. Bakit kasi boses ko? Para ako si Tamulag. Ito na lang po masasabi ko. Congrats po sa bagong sa church po natin.
Okay, we invite everybody to please grab a glass of drink. If you have water, juice, or any kind of drinks in front of you, let us all raise our glasses. Make a toast for Mr. and Mrs. De Jesus.